Morning, children of class 3. In the last class, we have discussed about our country India, location of India when our country get independence from British rule, our national uh, festivals, and the political systems, how the India will run by the government. And today we will discuss about the physical division of our country India. In the map, this map you can see, this is our India's map. This is our India's map. The map has given showing the physical features of our country, and it tells about the landform, water bodies, and the other important natural resources. Different colors indicate different geographical features in our land. The brown color, this brown color uh, parts as a high grounds with a white topped dark brown parts in the north being Himalayas. This brown portion is being recognized as a Himalayan ranges. Okay, the mountainous ranges or the northern parts of India is landform is like an Himalayan. It covers almost to the north to the east. It covers the Himalayan ranges, and there are brown parts in the central parts of India. There are some brown colors you can see in the map. These brown colors also shows the hills and the mountains, but that these hills and the mountains are not high as this Himalaya ranges. The yellow and the green color parts are flat-landed, that indicates desert plains, and forest, the flatlands. They are here in the green color. Uh, green color, yellow parts at indicates as a desert plains and forest. And this triangular shape of India's map or the land, you can see in the map, this triangular land map is just jut to into the sea, and this land is called the peninsula. This entire portions of southern part of India is called peninsula. The entire southern parts of India is surrounded by a water bodies. These southern parts of India is entire parts of southern parts of India is covered by a water bodies. Okay, and the rivers and oceans colored dark blue, and the darker and the blue, the darker the blue, deeper the water is blue. And in the map you can see eastern side is Bay of Bengal. To the south and the eastern parts of India is Bay of Bengal, and the western side is Arabian Sea. To the south is Indian Ocean. These two seas and one oceans cover the southern part of India, and this portion is known as the Peninsula of India. And Andaman and Nicobar Island is also an island territory of India. And children, this is Andaman and Nicobar Island, and this is Lakshadweep. These places are also included in our country India. And the peoples of India is most of the ancient civilizations of the world. Over thousands of years, strong cultural heritage helps Indian people to make a diverse country. Although the official language of India is Hindi, in India many people live and many people speak different languages, and there are 29 popular languages that are spoken in India. At least millions of Indian people. In each currency of India, like this, in the currency of India, note listed its value. 15 different languages as written in the currency of India. It shows that these languages are the official languages of India, which they were used in different states. We wear different kinds of clothes. While most people wear similar kinds of clothes in the metropolitan cities, in the rural India, we still find different kinds of traditional regional clothes being worn. The city peoples wear like a similar kinds of clothes like jeans or t-shirts or pants or kurta or paisama, but in the rural area mostly the peoples wear traditional clothes. The varieties of in cooking has made different cuisines, and Indian food varieties are famous all over the world. And the South Indian foods has a unique items like a dosa, idli, whereas Rajasthani peoples eat dal bati, churma, and Bengali may swear by his rasagulla, while Marathi people prefer the homemade srikhand. And if you have changed the staying in the cosmopolitan places, then you may get enjoy this diversity by sharing your tiffin with a friends from another Indian people. Cosmopolitan means many different places and different cultures combined together is called a cosmopolitan. Politan. And if you are staying in a cities areas, you can there are many peoples of combined staying, and you can have the diversity of foods and the diversity of clothes you can found in this metropolitan cities and cosmopolitan places. Okay. And here in the pictures, this is the Andhra Pradesh chicken biryani is chicken Hyderabadi. This is the famous food items of Andhra Pradesh, whereas in Bengal machi bhat is famous. In Bihar litti chokha. Jammu and Kashmir they will eat rogan josh. Whereas if you can say, we can say Gujarati peoples, and in mind it's come dhokla. And in Punjabi peoples mostly they will eat sarson ka saag and makki ki roti. And Rajasthani this is dal bati churma. And Tamil Nadu mostly peoples eat dosa, idli, sambar. And Sikkimese peoples also is faksapa. Okay. And the people of India are of many faiths and are free to pray different gods. India is a secular country. India is a secular country. There is no restrictions about any religions. We can follow any religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Jain, and Christian, Buddhism, and Parsis. We can live together in our country. And India is a so though India is a secular country, so we can follow any religions. And all we can follow any religions, but we can live together so that we can feel proud to call them ourselves and themselves that we are Indians. We already know that the people of India celebrate different national festivals. Like our national festivals are Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and Republic Day. These are our national festivals. Instead of national festivals, there are many religious festivals we will celebrate in our country. Like in a occasionally we can celebrate Dasera, Diwali, Eid, Holi, Makar Sakrati, Lori. All these are our uh, religious festivals. And instead of religious festivals, in the some parts of our country people celebrate a harvest festivals also. When they harvest festivals means to cut and gather the crops, and they will celebrate festivals like Baisakhi, Bohag Bihu, Pongal, Lohri, Makar Sankranti, Onam. All these are the um, harvest festivals. Whereas Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti, these three are our national festivals. And Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dasera, all these are the regional festivals. And children, in the next segments we will discuss about the harvest festival.